Press brakes and sheet metal machines? They all bend metal, but how efficiently, and what's the real result? It's always the same story. Parts that are often inaccurate, secondary operations to try to improve them, and production turned into scrap. This has two serious consequences: waste of resources and precious time, production downtime, which affects the entire production flow. And there's more. An inaccurate process can lead to unusable parts, which is like throwing money directly into the waste bin. Tired of wasting time and material, reducing your profit? Now you can rely on Vicla, the Italian workshop for sheet metal machines. We design, build and sell press brakes and guillotine shears. Our machines allow you to achieve the optimal result straight off with flawless parts at first try. Forget about continuous adjustments and non-conformities forever. With Vicla, you will optimize production by increasing its speed and quality. What do customers love about us? Our attention to the details. By listening to our clients' needs, we create tailor-made projects satisfying their real needs, to each the best fit machine. Our careful and prompt customer care goes on even in the after-sales. Don't hesitate to call us for any doubts, questions, or emergencies you might step into. With our remote connection system, we guarantee immediate support, safeguarding your productivity. With Vicla, no emergency turns into a real problem. The cherry on top of the whole thing? Our hybrid system. Compared to conventional machines, you can save up to 78% in terms of energy consumption and drastically reduce the amount of oil used. Who said you can't care for the environment and improve your productivity? Would you like to know more? Request a phone consultation now. Vicla, cutting-edge technology, 100% Italian engineering, and fine craftsmanship.